Okay, still in the comparative advantage theory. Back to my questions in the previous session. Why must 15 and not 20? Uh, is it possible if we put 20 here, replace this 50 ton, so it's still 200? Why? So now take a look. If we 100% utilizing this, okay, 20 ton of cocoa is no longer as comparative advantage. This is absolute advantage because when 20 here, 0 must be here. 10, 0 here. So if 15, 10, that's meaning that if we produce a 15 ton, so we actually spend 150 resources. So the remaining 50 to produce 3 ton. Why you use combination 15, 5? Because we will get more. Okay, if you use just 20, the thing that we gain, just imagine if 20 here, 10, then traded 4, we just get 4 here. Okay, and another question here, why it must be 6 ton? Okay, is that right? 6 ton. Try to calculate. Actually, you cannot get this done if they both trade 6 ton. 6 ton is a wrong figure here. So that's why I say always use your brain. Okay, the figure here shouldn't be 6, it must be 4. They traded only 4. So let's say here is 20 ton. So we call that Korea producing 10, the ultimate that they can do 10. So if they do trading 4, okay, South Korea can get what we call that 4 here of cocoa, and then what we call that Ghana just got 4 of rice. Got what I mean? Okay, if 20 here, Ghana just got 4. While if they do trading, if what we call that they have made combination 15 and 3.75, Ghana finally can have 7.75 rice. Because they trade 4, they produce this 3, they trade 4, this means 7.75. Well, if they produce 20 after trading here, they're not going to have 7.75, they're going to have only 4. So they still lose. That's why they have to find the right combination. That's the explain why it must fit 15 and 3. Okay. So change. Go everybody, please go to your textbook. Change this figure. It's not 6 actually. It's 4. Concentrates 4 tons, not 6 tons. It's wrong. See, if even this book, how many times reviews still got wrong. So don't expect your Facebook news, your Facebook information will be right. You don't simply believe on things even academically written. Don't simply believe. Always use your brain. Because if you put 6 here, sorry, it's gone. Where is it? Okay, if you put 6 here, 15 minus 6 will be 9. Okay, and it will be 6 here. It cannot, combination will be 9 and 6. Cannot be 11 and 4. It's 4, traded must be 4 because initially it's 0. You know better. So okay, how to calculate to get this one, the excessive, the extra? Okay, how? Increase in consumption. Why suddenly become 1? Okay, now consumption, or we call that if they trade 4, they specialize. Why suddenly become 1? Got any answer? Confused? Hmm? Likely you are not around. If I in the class I'll point someone to answer this. Why suddenly got 1? From where this figure derives from? Okay, take a look. This is the increase. When talking about increase or decrease, it must have base figure and the new figure. Okay, the new figure will be which figure? The new figure. Okay, the new figure. Cannot get it. Why? There's a new figure here. Take a look here. Why is it get 1 here? Why South Korea got 1.5? How to get that? Anybody give answer? Okay, I give you time to think. From where 1 you get 1.0, 1.5. Please tell me how to get that. Okay, let's say you say 15 minus 4 is 11. It's not 1. It's not 1. Okay, now I give you question how to get this. I'm not going to reveal everything. Okay, I'll let you think how to get this 1.0. Okay, it remain your quiz questions later. Okay, I explain the whole concept that you have to understand, clearly understand. Okay, but at the same time I leave the last session for you to think. Okay, we look back here. I give you a hint a bit. Increase or decrease, how to get this? How to get this increase or decrease after specialization? How to get this? Okay, how to get 4? How can I become 4? It's very simple. This is the what we call the new, this is the base. So new minus base, you get this figure. Got 4. Okay, 14. 6 minus 2.5, you get 3.5. Now go here again. Where is it? Lost again. It's the okay. How to get that? Never mind, if you wait for your answer, it will be very long. Okay. 11. This is the new. 10 is base. So new minus base 1. Got 1. 4. New minus base 2.5 equivalent to 1.5. So do to here. Okay. 7.75 minus 7.5, 0.25. Okay, this is 6 is new, this is base. 6 minus 5 is 1. It's very easy. Clear it now. So, is it clear? Alright, it seems like all of us understand what is the concept of the theory of comparative advantage. Now we go ahead, we go Hershey-Ohlin theory. So, we see here, comparative advantage arises from different in national factors endowment. Okay, and then you see here, Hershey-Ohlin says, if the country have abundant resources, I mean a lot of resources, factors, with lower costs, so that the country is better to export the goods that produced by enough factors of endowment. Let's say Malaysia have a lot of resources that will be able to produce palm oil, so better we export palm oil and buy something else. Locally abundant, in this case they don't care what we call that downstream activities, just upstream activities. Okay, natural resources. This is actually all in theory. So like USSR, and locally is some sorts like a cooperative advantage, which is from, but however it depends on the extent to which country endowed with resources. Is endowed to what resources? How many resources? Is it scarce? Is it more? Is it less? So we, the respected countries, will do exporting that have the intensive use of factors that locally abundant and import those goods that make intensive of use factors that are locally scarce. It means if let's say it's hard for us to produce fighter jet, let's say Sukhoi Su-36, Sukhoi 36 MKM. So we are scarce in terms of technology, in terms of resources, expertise. So we cannot produce.